now let's look at the new term, which is infinite loop. Okay, what is infinite loop? Infinite loop is actually a loop which continues to execute endlessly. Okay, it can be avoided by including statements in the loop body that assure exit conditions will eventually be false. So this is when you want to develop or you want to create looping in your program, in your coding, you have to ensure that there will be a condition that finally will be false, okay, at the end of the loop. For example, previously I mentioned to you that there are 3 requirements for us to do looping in our coding. Okay, repetition in our coding. So the first one, we must have initialization of a loop control variable. Okay, for example, I equal to 0, I equal to 1, I equal to 3. Okay, what else? Anything. And then second one, we have the condition to make sure that we can enter the loop or the repetition process. For example, if you declare or if you initialize I equal to 0, you have to put, for example, I less than 10, so that we can ensure that we can enter the loop. Okay, because I equal to 0, I less than 10, so the condition will be true, 0 less than 10. Okay, so at the end of the looping process, let's say you want to repeat for 10 times. Okay, so you have to make sure that there will be certain update statement, okay, that will update the loop control variable, so that when the repetition process has been completed, the loop control variable will be false when it is tested with the condition. Okay, the condition of the loop control variable will be false. For example, you need to update the I just now. Okay, I plus plus at the end of the loop before you exit the loop. Okay, and then when we check, let's say finally let's say you update by 1. Every time you complete a statement inside the loop body, you increase the value of I. Every time the one repetition has been done, so increase the value of I. And then finally, when I equal to 10, of course, the loop will be ended. Okay, so let's see one example of infinite loop. Okay, let's say I have this program. Okay, in I. Okay, let's give value 6. I equal to 6. And then while I less than 12. Okay, then I put, let's say, cout. Okay, cout I. Okay, and then space. Okay, then let's say I put I minus minus. Okay, then this is to show you how infinite loop will occur. Okay, okay, so this is an example of infinite loop. Okay, so it is non-stop process and non-stop process. Okay, let's close this one. So let's figure out why this happened. Okay, because I give initial value to I equal to 6, and then I less than 12, so this condition is true. Okay, 6 less than 12. And then what happened when the condition is true? So we will enter this while loop. Okay, 6 less than 12, true. And then we are going to see out I. Okay, 6. And then space. And then after that, I decrease. I put I minus minus. This is decrement, right? Post decrement. And then I become to 5. Okay. And then go back again, 5 less than 12. So true. And then this process will continue endlessly because 5 4 I value will be 5 4 3 2 1 always and forever will be less than 12 because it is I minus minus. So how to correct this? We have to put it. I can adjust this. Can put it I plus plus. Okay, so now let's look at what will happen if I adjust this to post increment. Okay, to correct the program. Okay, so as you can see, we will have a finite loop. Okay, this is finite loop because it will end after some time. Okay, I less than 12, just now 6. Okay, first it will print 6 and then space and then increase I to 7. So 7 still, when we test the condition, 7 still less than 12. So print again 7 and then increase to 8. Okay, until the last value of I will be 12. And then when it tests the condition here, 12 less than 12, so false. So it won't print the value of 12 and then the last value printed is 11. Okay, so this is how infinite loop can be corrected. So you must ensure that when you implement repetition control structure in your program, you must have initial value and then the condition, this one, condition to enter the loop. And then finally you must ensure that the loop sometimes will be at the end will be ended, okay, by updating the loop control variable correctly. Okay.